Hello, word fans, and welcome back. I'm Alex, and today's word is ceremony. It's a B1 level noun that means a formal event. A ceremony is a public or formal occasion, often with special actions or words. You might see a ceremony for a wedding, a graduation, or an award presentation. Some synonyms for ceremony are rite, ritual, and observance. For instance, the marriage rite was beautiful, or the daily ritual of making coffee is important to me, or the observance of silence during the memorial was moving. Now let's look at some antonyms. Words like informality, casualness, and spontaneity stand in contrast to ceremony. For example, the gathering was marked by its informality, or her casualness put everyone at ease, or his reaction had a raw spontaneity. So how might you use ceremony in everyday life? You could say the opening ceremony of the Olympics is always spectacular, or they're planning a special ceremony to honor the veterans. Some sentence examples could be, the graduation ceremony took place at 10 a.m., and there was a moving ceremony to remember the lost sailors, and the awards ceremony will be held next Tuesday. In short, remember that ceremony is a formal event with specific practices. It's often associated with significant life occasions or traditions. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave a review. Your support helps others find our show. Please share your own sentences using the word ceremony in the comments below.